Okay, we've been at Bulmershe Youth Centre this evening and we've been talking about buses in Woodley and Old Early because there's been a particular problem over the last few months and local constituents have been very concerned. We had about probably 80 or 90 people at the meeting and it was absolutely chock-a-block in there, and we were very fortunate this evening to have James Freeman, Chief Executive of Reading Buses, speaking, and also Keith Baker, who's the Lead Councillor for Transport on Wokingham Borough Council. So James, what did you think of the meeting, and do you think people's concerns were addressed?
Well, I think the key benefit tonight was that we had some good answers for people, and so their concerns could be aired, and I don't think there was anyone who didn't get a positive reply to their question. And whilst we weren't necessarily between us able to give them exactly what they want, most people have got at least 90% of what they were hoping for, and I think that's a brilliant outcome.
And that's pretty good. And Wokingham Borough Council have worked overtime to deliver this, so what exactly has been delivered?
We're basically putting back in the gaps. We're filling the gaps that unfortunately was going to be there in January. We're investing nearly £100,000 of council taxpayers' money to reflect the serious nature of what was proposed. So residents should be very pleased with what they're actually going to get.
I think actually, judging by the mood of the people left, it was a very successful meeting. There was a round of applause at the end, which you wouldn't normally expect from a public meeting. So I think to James and Keith, job well done, and we look forward to seeing the new timetable, new service, and hopefully everything will be sorted out before January the 11th.
My name's Sue O'Dell. I thought the meeting with the bus company and the councillor was very, very good. My main concern was, as a puppy walker for guide dogs, that I wouldn't be able to use my concession on the Thames route, but that was answered, and I've got to just email Keith Brown, and he will get it written into the contract. So I'm one very happy lady.
Okay, well, my name is Andrew. I think that the meeting went very well. One of my concerns was that we wouldn't have sort of hardly any buses at all, that a lot of the routes would be cut out, but it seems as if a lot of work's gone into it, and I felt that they addressed our concerns, and I feel happy that there will be buses into town, maybe not quite as they are now, but we should still be able to get there, which is the main concern, and I think that they did listen to obviously the concerns that the people had. I think that generally they took on board what people wanted. So I'm fairly happy that the buses in Woodley will be sufficient.
Great.
I'm Mrs. Joan Barrington. I'm really here tonight, apart from a personal question, to represent the older people's forum, where a lot of our members were very, very worried about the number 62 bus in particular. And my particular worry is being able to get from Fairwater Drive to the doctors at Hurricane Way, and apparently we will be able to. So I think it's been a very good meeting. And as far as I'm concerned, it's settled my mind, and I think we're going to be looked after as well as we can expect.